Hello, I'm Aaron Stanberry of All Things Metaverse, and I'm here today to do another tutorial on how to upload your PowerPoint presentations to your web link in order to get it onto your headset so that you can display it in the metaverse or on the Engage platform. That's right. We're going to show you today how to upload your PowerPoint, your pictures, your uh, or any other thing you need to get into the into the on the Engage platform. So you just stay right there, and we'll be right back with that and showing you how to do that with the web link. I'm Aaron Stanberry from All Things Metaverse, and we'll be right back.
Okay, now let us continue with our tutorial on how to upload a PowerPoint presentation to EngageXR via Google Drive. So what we want to do now, first of all, is open up our Chrome web browser here, and then we want to go to the three dots over here, these three dots right here. You want to go to the three dots and you want to click on them, and then you're going to come up with your little menu here. You're going to go to Google Drive, to your Google Drive, and click on it. Once you go to your Google Drive, then you're going to be looking for the program or the PowerPoint or the OneDrive or whatever you're looking for. That's what you want to do. You want to find that file. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload a PowerPoint, and right here is a PowerPoint um, that I have on my machine that I did with a presentation here recently. So what we're going to do is take this PowerPoint here and make it readable in Engage XR. So if we come over here to the three dots on the back side and press them, you'll get a drop down menu. What we're going to do then is go to share. Don't go to link copy, go to share. You're going to open up the share, and you want to make sure where it says general asset, right here, you want to make sure it says everyone with the link. You want to make sure it says everyone with the link. Then what you're going to do with that link is that you're going to copy that link. Now, once you copy with that link and you're done with it, now you're going to go to Engage. You're going to go to Engage um, IO, your login page. You're going to log in, and then you're going to go to Media down here, right down here at the bottom. Media, right there. You're going to go there, and you're going to make sure that you're in Media. Your web link is right here. And then what you want to do then is you want to go over here to the blue space right here, the blue space right here, and you want to add a web link. When you add a web link, you're going to get this box right here. In this box, it's going to say title, URL, and description. What you want to do is right click on that box so that you can see, and then you want to paste. You want to paste this shared file that's linked to everyone in that URL position. Then you want to go here and title it, and you want to say that particular one says occupy till I come, and you want to put that in there and then save it. And as you see, it saved it down here in the bottom. It saved it. Uh, um, And now what we want to do now is go back into our headset in the Engage environment. So stay with me and we'll be right back.
Okay, we're back in Engage, and we're at our web link. If you look up here, you see our web link. Our web link is where where we what we just uploaded from Google Drive is going to be stored. So if we go up to here and we punch web link, it's going to come up, and there you will see the PowerPoint that says occupy.com. That was the one that we uploaded from our OneDrive. So if we click on it, just go ahead and click on it. It should bring it up. Then there it is. There's the PowerPoint right there. So if we want to share it to our screens, we just click Shared Screens. And as you notice, it is now up on the screen here in the metaverse. So in order to change the slide, you just need to go to your tablet or go back to your menu and just point at it and click on it, and it will change the slides. So that way you can use your PowerPoint in order to here in the metaverse. So, and if you need to go back a page, you just go up top here and click on the arrow and it'll go back a page. And so that's how you bring the PowerPoint in and what you need to do in order for it to work properly here in the metaverse. So I know that that assists you, and we will be right back to close this out. Well, I know you enjoyed that tutorial, a short tutorial on how to upload your PowerPoints or files to direct link and then send them up to engage.io so that you can bring them into your headset in this platform here utilizing your web link. So once again, I'm Aaron Stanberry of All Things Metaverse, and we're glad to be with you today and hope you enjoy and have a blessed day. May God bless.